One interesting thing to note about black oil PVT properties is that you can actually use them together with surface densities to calculate reservoir oil and reservoir gas densities. And I would just like to show that concept real quick in this very short explanation video. So if we start with the simplest case of reservoir oil in the reservoir that is single phase liquid in the reservoir, but at surface gas comes out of solution and we get a free gas phase and a free oil phase on surface that we can sell. If we set up a simple mass balance of this, saying that the mass in the reservoir needs to be equal to the mass at the surface, and we then apply the density rule, so density is equal to mass over volume on each side of this equation, at the same time as we are dividing by the surface oil volume, we can actually see that these things simplify to become BO, RS, and 1. Which leaves us with this particular equation right here, that the reservoir density is equal to the surface gas density times the solution GR plus the reservoir oil density divided by BO. And this is the equation given in this is equation 7.8 given SB phase behavior monograph. The only thing to note is that this is in SI units, and in that equation it's given in field units, I think. Similarly, for the gas case, we know that we have single phase gas in the reservoir. Once we get to surface, we get a free gas phase, and we get a free oil phase that we can sell. And similarly, we set up a mass balance on this, apply the density formula, and at the same time we divide by the surface gas volume. From that we get the formation volume factor for gas. We get 1, and we get the solution CGR, or the so-called, this is what is also called large RV in a bunch of different simulators. Reordering this, we come to this particular equation right here, which is essentially saying that density of gas in the reservoir is equal to the surface gas density plus the surface oil density times solution CGR divided by the formation volume factor for gas.